A bus stop that was in shambles in Ranipura area of Anantnag in South Kashmir has now been converted into a street library by the Indian Army. This bus stop was set on fire by miscreants in 2016, but now a library has been set up by the 18 Rashtriya Rifles of the Indian Army on that spot. Take a look at this report.
In Kashmir Valley, Indian Army has come up with a new concept of educating people. Basically, the idea is to make books available to the youngsters so that they can read and prepare for the competitive services. We are reporting from Ranipura. This is the area in South Kashmir's Anantnag district. And this is basically a street library which was earlier a bus stop which was set on fire in 2016. It was in shambles, in dilapidated condition, but later Indian Army has recently constructed it and it has been made a street library just along the junction. Here I'll tell Shafiq to pan the camera and show you that this is the main road of Ranipura, and this is basically a junction. It used to be a bus stop which was in shambles, and later Indian Army painted it, constructed it, and in fact they made few seats available here so that people can still sit here and wait for the buses, for the vehicles just along this road. What's more important, that youngsters have started coming here. They have games here to play. On my right, you will see here that these are the kids who are playing the games, and books have been made available to them. There are comics and in fact books for the competitive services. The demand of the local youngsters is very high because most of the people from this area are demanding books for the competitive services. But look at this street library where you have comics, there are books for competitive services, in fact books of short stories, and here you can see these kids, they are playing the games, also reading stories. So this is the new concept of the Indian Army, where a bus stop has been converted into a street library which has books of various writers here. You can see this is about the Indian Army, and there are books about history, about Indian history, and there you can see writers of various reigns, their books are here. So basically these students, these youngsters can come, spend their time here, they can play the games, and also it's basically a process of educating the youngsters. And in fact with the response of these people, these students, the Indian Army has put a board here which reads any book you want, and there you can see now the students of class 5, 6, they are coming here and in fact putting their demands. They are in fact writing whatever the books and whatever the books they need from Indian Army. So this is the concept of Indian Army to educate people. Ranipura is basically a village, and in fact there are many villages and from where students have started coming here. Most of the time now they spend here, play games, read stories, and in fact if they need guidance, there are senior officers of Indian Army who actually teach them, tell them about subjects, and in fact guide them about the career. And what's more important, that this library, this street library, has been set up by 18 Rashtriya Rifle that played and in fact is playing an important role in counter-insurgency.